Wants to do the honors? Zoe? Sure, I will do this. There you go. Ring that bell. Why was it back? Should I let go of the door? Okay.
I just don't know what to do. What should I do? Am I red or am I blue? I don't know. I don't know what to do. Is it trick or is it treat? Tell me. Don't make me decide. I don't know. I got Butterfingers and I got Nestle Crunch and I got Skittles. I can't decide. Just pick one for me. Just pick one. Don't make me think about it. I can't decide. Oh, thank God. Oh, thank goodness. Oh, thanks for letting me at least get off that decision. I can't make these decisions myself. Come back Tuesday and help me out. Look at
Okay, was that worth it? Yay! Encore!
Oh my gosh, that was
Were you coming up to the...
great. Frodo!
Following them around. Oh, okay. Oh, you didn't want to be up here?
Okay, so. We're done!
Okay!
Woo!
Oh, come on in. And how'd you do?